guys, we're going to create a simple tutorial today. This is a tutorial for shortening a link by using an online website. You'll create an account. You can use Google or you can fill up the form to create your free account, and you can use it to shorten a very irritative long link. Then just copy it and paste it. Then the output is still the same with a very long link. Let's go, guys!
Today guys, we're going to create a video tutorial by shortening a link. So let's get started. Just open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari, etc. Then you'll just type www.bitly.com. There you have it. The browser or the page has loaded, and then you'll see that there is a fee or a payment in creating an account or using this website. So we're going to create a free account on this. You can click sign up, or you can click login if you have already an account. So we're going to click the sign up page on this browser. So I click sign up, and then there it is. There is a form. If you want to fill up the form, if you want it manually sign up, or you can use your Google account to sign up for this website. I use my Google account for this, so it's very easy and quick sign up. There you have it. I got my free account using my Google account. See that at the top right corner there's my account name. Then I'm going to use my Facebook image or my Facebook photos that has a very long link. So I'm going to copy it. Just right click and then select copy, and then go back to bitly.com, and then click on the top right corner of the website, create, and then paste your long link, and it will quickly generate a short link. Just copy it and try to test it. So we're going to click a new tab and then paste the short link created by bitly.com and just hit enter. So the output is I think the same. Yeah, the output is the same. There you have it. It's a long link, but in Bitly it will be shortened, and it is very useful when you're going to post something. This link is very useful, and you can use it for posting something. You just put your title, your message, and then the link, and the output is still the same. Well guys, that's it. The tutorial for shortening a link, a very irritative long link.